QLess is the fast and easy way to schedule appointments with academic advising, the financial aid office, and first-year experience. To make an appointment, go to the Prairie State website at prairiestate.edu. Click on the Register for Classes button on the homepage. This will take you to a page that's all about how to get started at PSC. Click on the Make an Appointment button. Fill in the form with your first and last name and phone number. On this screen, some of the information is optional. Select whether you are a returning student or a new student. You also have the option to schedule an in-person meeting or a virtual one. If you schedule a virtual meeting, you must enter your email address. Pick which department you'd like to schedule an appointment with. Select the service that best describes your needs, and pick a time and day that works for you. And that's it. It's that simple. You'll receive a confirmation text and additional text updates closer to your appointment date and time.